With GAT Plus's group auditing feature, you can manage all the groups on your domain. In this tutorial, we'll be covering how to use the group auditing section. Using the summary table, you can quickly look at a few broad filters. The red options are for any groups containing external users, while the blue options cover local, empty, and ownerless groups. We'll be creating our own filters in this video. I'll select the Create a Filter button. Here you can adjust the type of the filter you want to make. These can help you narrow down your search. I'll be searching for groups by member. I'll now input the user's email and apply the filter. I can now see all the groups that this user is a member of. You can use the More Actions button to view the options you have. These options include viewing local, all, and external members, viewing the group events, as well as copying the group or deleting it. Let's take a look at Copy Group. Here you would enter the new group's email address, add a new name, and then give it a description. All previous members will then be copied over to this new group. Next, I'll take a look at the events of this group. This will take us to the Events tab of the tool. Here you can view which users were added or removed and if there's been any permission changes. Clicking the eye icon will give you all the details pertaining to that group. This can be helpful for analyzing a specific group's settings, members, and events. I'll now move on to the Last Used tab. Here you can check the last time this group was used, the last email used, as well as its subject and who sent the email along other details. If you spot any groups that you feel aren't being used at all, you can click on the email, which will redirect you to the Groups tab, where you can perform more actions such as deleting the group. Now, to add a member to a group, you'll need to use the Users Audit section of the GAT Plus tool. Then select the Export Data button and click Google Sheets. In this sheet, you can find a user you would like to add and then select their Groups column. Proceed to place the email of your group to this user or remove existing groups if you wish. Once finished, exit this tab, and back in the Users Audit section, select the Import button. You will then be presented with the changes that are being applied. Go ahead and apply the changes. Your user will now be in the group you designated. Don't forget to go to our website to get a free 15-day trial of GAT Plus. If you enjoyed this how-to, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Make sure to turn on the bell so you never miss a video, and let us know in the comments what you would like to see from us in the future. That covers this GAT Plus how-to. Thanks for watching.